Hi there, welcome back to Outflow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Dialogue, which is basically a research platform that shows what real people want and why. Mainly, they provide AI tools to basically run interviews and service at scale. Okay. And so you can use the conversations from real customers to make decisions, which is really helpful. Straight away, we can see that the headline is very clear and the subheadline clearly explains what the software does. Then we can also see above the fold, which is very important. We can see a lot of credibility in terms of the platforms that they are trusted by. For example, Meta, TikTok, Afterpay, Wayfair, okay, Nextdoor, a lot of really high profile brands that have already been using this software. So this is really good for credibility. Here they go more in depth about how your works, where you can create a study, record the participants, and then interview and get the results, right? And you can scroll and get more information about how it works. Here they've also shown a lot of compliance in terms of the certificates, and it shows that they are also really good in the industry for all the requirements that basically need. Here they've got more stats about why you should switch to this product. For example, 90% time saved per study and 80% plus lower costs compared to the alternatives, right? So the beautiful thing here is that they've got really high quality testimonials here that you can go and watch. Obviously, this is a case study, and then this is a really in-depth video testimonial. And this is also another case study. For example, here they say that dialogue is a fast path from insight to impact. It's a dramatic acceleration of how they can gather and synthesize user feedback for product development. So again, it's a really good demonstration of um, expertise from this business. The good thing that they got here as well is the frequently asked questions section where they can handle some objections that a prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. Okay, and if we scroll down, it takes us to the end of the video of the homepage. If we scroll back up, we could have said potentially that they might have added a contact form in order to increase the number of opt-ins by providing a lead magnet to incentivize the prospect to provide their details, right? They could have also given like a lead magnet, a freebie or a discount or anything like that. But other than that, I think this is all for this video. I hope you guys like this. If you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.